This is Tremor 70. Today I got Wood Percy. I got at the train store along with Wood Henry. Before we unbox Percy, let's take a look at Percy inside the packaging. I think I got Percy in about $10, I think. So if I get the ruler, hang on. If I get the ruler wearing 2013 Percy, I will do the comparison to the Wood Percy. So here's the front, side, the other side, the top, the bottom. It says Percy, and the back. Let's unbox Percy. Percy. Let's get Percy a test run, shall we? I'll start right there. Here we go. Look at Percy go! Well guys, that's it for the unboxing of Wood Percy. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.